everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today video we are going to be unboxing this bag. I don't know what is inside yet, but it's a subscription bag. It's a subscription box or something like that. This is a Slay Glam Box. This is a Slay Glam Box and this is $24 a month if you subscribe for 3 months. It gets cheaper if you subscribe for a longer period of time, but the monthly payment is $24 and it's always worth over $100, and I think it's 4 or 5 full-size products inside here. So let's check this bag and let's see what is inside. Wow, it looks a little smashed, but I mean the concept is pretty, and this is the brand. So let's open this and see what is inside. And here it is paper that it says everything that it has in there. It says thank you for subscribing, and then it tells us everything that is in there. It has a eye look kit that is, the name is Bella Pure Cosmetic, is $50. So I guess this is the one that I just grabbed. No, it seems like it's something else. I'm not so sure. This is a little confusing. So let's see what is this. Wow, is this big product. This is a contour palette. I'm not too in favor of cream contour. I actually love use bronzer for that. Like today I did it like that way, but this is something that I might be able to pass around to somebody. So I don't want to touch it because I seriously want to pass it to somebody else. And the brand is Kathleen. I don't know if you can catch that. So let's keep seeing what else is inside here. Then we have a brush, which actually I like. It looks very compact and soft and nice. I'm gonna be using this one. This one I'm not gonna pass it on. I already put all my fingers on it. But I definitely gonna be using this little one. I really like the quality of it. It looks really good. So the counter modeling is $52. The eye key, don't you miss this? I don't know, this is so confusing. Okay, let's see what is the other product. So the next one is Stephen Laurent, is this one, and this is a liquid lipstick. Let's see how that looks like. Okay, this is the color. I'm gonna pass this on. I'm not gonna swipe it either. I think I have this color in other products already, so I'm not gonna use it. I'm just gonna put it back and pass it on. This is the other one. Let me see, what is this one? Okay, this is the eye look kit. It is one base is this little one, and it has 3 different colors. This is kind of like a silver, this is more like purple, and this one is like a very dark purple. And also have this brush, which I really like this type of brushes. These ones, the ones that have this shape, I really like these brushes, so that's staying with me. And this other one, maybe not my favorite, but I like the shape that it has. It has a very curious shape. Let me see if it says for what it is. It says eyeshadow number 35. It doesn't really say much, so I'm gonna keep those brushes. Maybe this, I will have to use it. I'm not sure if I want to try this. I don't know. Okay, so if I add all of this, it says that my bag is $158. I am always try my best to give you the best advice, the best point of view of everything that I experience here in my channel. And I am sorry to say this to the company or any other company or any person who believes in something, but in my opinion, this is not worth it. I am running right now to my computer and cancel whatever I have with them. I'm gonna cancel. This is my first and last Slay Glam Box I don't like it. I am so sorry. I don't know if I put something in there that made them believe that these products were a deal for me, but I'm definitely don't like anything at all. I mean, like, the only thing that I'm gonna keep is the brushes, because I'm okay with brushes. Brushes are very important and I use many of them. I really like brushes, but I don't really enjoy any products that are creamy, because a lot of the times those products tend to lift whatever is in under, like the foundation or whatever. Is very hard for me to use them sometimes, and I don't enjoy those. I have better, easier alternative to it, so that's why I avoid them altogether. And I think they get very messy, and they're kind of like they tend to get dirtier, and those pigment just looks like something that is going to be difficult to work with. It's gonna be a lot of powder and a lot of I already don't like the process of baking too much, because all the things that I have to breathe sometimes when I'm doing so. Imagine if you have to deal again with my eyes in the same situation. I don't want that. I don't think that's ideal for me. So basically, and the lipstick is not a pretty color, and I don't really like it. $22 for it is excessively too much. Maybe the only thing that it kind of catch my attention, I'm like, what is this? Is the eyeliner, the clear eyeliner that you just put in there, and then you put whatever color you want to put on top of it to kind of like give it more pop, make it look like an eyeliner. Even though it's another product, is an eyeshadow or something. That might be something that I'm interested on, because it's just different. It's something that I don't really see often or whatever. But besides that, no, I skip this. This is not happening here anymore. I'm not receiving this anymore. I'm not buying this anymore. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. If you like this video and if you appreciate my honesty, please give a big thumbs up to this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.